Alright, you are welcome to this tutorial. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go to a website where we are going to create a mock-up of the logo design we've created earlier. So that's what we're going to do today. So now the website you need to go to is www.photopea, or you can just simply write photopea.com. So with your phone you can do this. Alright, go to photopea.com and this is what you are going to see. Alright, so now it's very simple. You can just click on or tap on start using Photopea. Alright, so now this Photopea will help you to create mockups. Okay, so when you click on that, it's going to open up for you. So let's hold on a little bit, let's see what's going to come up with. Okay, alright, so it has loaded. Alright, so now you might have designed, I'm talking about the logo designs we've done with Pixellab. So once you do those logos with Pixellab, make sure that you go to your background editing tool and turn off the background. Okay, like take it to transparent, make the background transparent before you export. Very important, make the background transparent before you export. Okay, so don't forget to do that. If you don't know how to do that, you comment on the comment section so that I create that video for you. Now if you've not subscribed to the channel, you are doing yourself you are not doing yourself a favor at all. Alright, so subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you be notified whenever we upload new videos. And this series we are uploading video back to back for more than 30 days. Alright, so now that's every day. Okay, so subscribe and please share the video to other people. Share the video to your groups, your friends, to your your friends and all of that, your family, acquaintances, other designers, so that they can benefit from what you're benefiting. So what we're going to do is click on file, click on open. So I'm going to go to my files. I have some mockup files. Okay, I have some mockup files, text, others. So I'll go to others. Let me see the mockup files I have here. Book cover, logo. Let me open this and see the mockup file that is here. Alright, so this is the mockup file that we have right here. So I'm going to just close this and I will open the PSD file. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to give you access to this PLP file. Okay, and I'll also show you where and how to download this. Did I say PLP? PSD file. Alright, so I'm going to give access to how you can. I'll show you also in this video, so please stick around and make sure you watch every part of this video to the end. So click open and it's going to load. So it has loaded this. Alright, so with your phone, alright, you can do this with your phone as well. Everything is going to work with it. This is a site, okay, but just make sure that your phone has a good capacity, good RAM and all of that. Okay, alright, so 4 gig RAM should be able to open this very well. Okay, so I will give you access to this mockup file, or better still, where you can download them. Alright, so if you download it, many of them will come with come as zipped files, so you have to unzip them. Okay, or some of them might not be zipped, so you can select to download the PSD file. Just download the PSD file, and when you click open, navigate to where it is kept. Alright, so if it's under download, you go to download. When you click open here, anywhere it is kept, that's where you open it from. So I'm going to click on this icon here. This is the layer icon, layers. Click on layers, and then this particular one, this is where the placeholder, this is where the logo is. Alright, so I'm just going to double click it. Alright, double click, so it has opened. So if I click on the layer again, it's going to look at this is it. So I'm going to click the layers again, and then I'm going to click this eyedropper. Alright, just click the this eye icon right here. It's to hide what is there before. Alright, just uncheck it and click the layer again so that you can see that nothing is here. So now it's time to bring in our own logo. So I'm going to click on file. Now instead of clicking open, you are going to click open and place. Okay, you're going to click open and place. Click open and place, and then I'm going to navigate to go to your Pixellab files. Now this is a logo we created with Pixellab. Okay, this Acomolex eye care. So I'm going to now click open, and it's going to place itself here. All right, so I'll just shift it here a little because that was where this other one was. Okay, after you have done this, this is the check. Look at confirm above here. Click on confirm, and then you are going to save this smart object. Don't forget what I'm saying. Okay, follow this process. Click file, click save smart objects. Okay, click save smart object. So if you click it, smart object updated, that means this particular logo we've placed here has been updated there. So close it, this X, close it from here, and then can you see what we have here? This is what we have right here. So I would love that we'll move it up a little bit, but I think this is okay. You can see everything is of Acomolex eye care. This is the logo. All right, even though you can click on this and click this drop down and work on some of these things, but I think it's pretty fine. So let's leave it like this. So click file and come down to export as. Click export as. When you click it, let's export it as JPEG or PNG, whichever one you want to use. So I'll click JPEG. So it's telling me, okay, what's the quality? I want it to be 100% so that it becomes very, very sharp. All right, look at the width, and then the name. We can change it to, you can just click the name and write Acomolex eye care logo. Now this is it. So if yours is delaying a little bit, maybe it's just because of the capacity of your phone, you can just be exercising little patience here and there so that it works out. Convert to RGB, save. So it has downloaded. So I'm going to check my download. I'm going to check my download, and here we have the Acomolex eye care logo mockup. All right, so you can do this with your phone, present this professionally, and you're good to go. All right. So now I'm going to show you now how to download this PSD file. Okay, this PSD file. So you go to, if you go to freepik.com, you are going to get the PSD files there. freepik.com. Look at it here. Okay, I just hope they have not changed. Okay, Freepik is now magnific. Wow. Freepik is now magnific. Magnific.com. That is serious. All right, this is an update actually. So for those of you that don't know, this is now the new website for Freepik. All right, so now you can log in, search for logo mockups. You will see a lot of them. Then download the PSD. You see a lot of them. I have a video already that shows how to get all these things. So I think I will make provision for the videos to be moving around. So make sure you watch it, or check the description of the video, or check the channel to get the video. All right, so that's one. Then the second one is, I love this. This is a hidden website. Resourceboy.com is a hidden website that people don't know. A lot of resources are here. My God, a lot of premium resources are here for free, and people don't know. So search, you can say logo mockup. Let's just do logo mockup. So you're going to see 277. You can see a lot of mockups here. Okay, I think I have to add 3D logo mockup so that it gives me better results. Okay, you can see some of the mockups are here. This wall. Okay, this, I think this is something like this that we just had. Okay, wooden and all of that. So you can see. Wow, so you can download. Just click anyone you want to download, then scroll down, and then you're going to see download. If it's zipped, unzip it. So I think I will need to create a video on how to unzip files with your smartphone, so that for those of you that don't know how to do that, you will do that. But a lot of persons have been having challenges with that. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to it, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.